Hello, today we will review our A-mouse C120. It's 2.4 GHz wireless air mouse. You can connect with your smart TV, PC, Android box, tablet or other. Let's see, it's really small and very quality. On one side we have those buttons and in the other we have keyboard. It has a lithium-ion battery with micro USB in to charge that battery and how that operate. I connect to my Mi box and it's really simple to operate. Just connect and immediately paired. This is remote mode, and now you have your air mouse mode. Okay, YouTube, just to connect. Search and now you don't have to type one another. It's really easy with your keyboard. It's really useful. Just really useful. Really good air mouse. You can just use this. Okay, this is our air mouse C120.